Some homes check all the boxes. This one will change your life. The perfect size, the most stunning view, and a community that's built around the way people actually want to live life in the mountains. With Lake Junaluska just a golf cart ride away, on-site walking trails, and a beautiful pavilion that's the heartbeat of the community, this home is one for the record books at a price you can't find in Avalon.